Pretty girls and the dudes that love them. Dudes that pay pretty girls to be with them, and pretty girls smart enough to work those dudes for everything they got. I was never good at that game. What was that Sheila E. song? She wants to lead the glamorous life she don't need. A man's touch, she wants to lead that glamorous life without love. It ain't much. Whew. I wanted that life. The glamour and the love and the cars and the money. That's part of what I love about being an actress. People love actors. Worship them. Can't get much more glamorous than that, right? I fucking love this car. She wants to lead a glamorous life she don't need. She wants to lead.
Mary is interrupted by the ringing of her phone. It's Angel.
You done? Bet I'm on my way.
Mary drives just a little ways and stops. Angel gets in the car. She has been beaten badly. Blood is seeping from multiple places. Her lip has already begun to swell and impacts her ability to speak.
What the fuck happened? Angel, what happened? What did that shitwad do to you? Drive, Mary. Angel, you are freaking me the fuck out. Should we go to the hospital? You want me to call Krissy, the cops?
No hospital. Absolutely no cops.
You are really fucked up, Angel. Someone should look at that.
Ain't you looking at it? I'm a whore, Mary. I let people fuck me for money. Hospitals don't give a shit. Treat me like I'm carrying every disease on the planet. The cops? They're even gonna want some head just to write the report, or some pussy to not take me to jail for solicitation. That fucker probably was a cop. They're regulars and usually the most brutal out of all the tricks. I'm tired of being a whore. I'm tired of being a whore. I'm tired of being a whore. I'm tired of being a whore.
Glamorous Life by Sheila E. plays.